Hey YouTubers, it's Tony with Mayberry Mini Trucks. Today is April 27th, 2023. And this is a video for Gary in Oklahoma. And Gary is interested in a particular mini truck that we have. And since he's a long distance customer, we want to do a intensive communication process, which involves a video. So this is for Gary in Oklahoma. And this is a stock number S0597. It is a 1997 four-wheel drive Suzuki 5-speed with an extra low first gear. It has 17,635 miles and it is $7,400. So let's check it out. All right. So to start with, it has just some specks of surface rust on it, just, where pebbles like on the highway, but that's the roof. A pebble will hit it and chip the paint ever so slightly, and then it will surface rust. But the front of the vehicle looks good. It's a little dirty. It's kind of raining today. It does have a few drip marks of paint, 3 paint drip marks, and the bumper looks good. Let me put this back inside. And just light little pieces of surface rust, like dots or spots, if you will. And the actual body of the vehicle looks good. It does not have any dents or dings on the door, and it does not have any dents or dings on the bedside. It does have a little bit of surface rust right there. So what I'm going to do is look on the inside to make sure that we get a good view. So it does not carry through to the other side. It's just there, not on the bottom or on the inside. Okay, the tailgate, it does have a little indentation right there. And that's grass on the license plate bracket. This is a scratch here and here and here. No dents or dings on the side panel. As a matter of fact, the bed also looks really nice aside from the leaves. It's just got some grass in there, but it looks nice and clean. And here's a close-up view. That's just surface rust. Very good condition. And here's the passenger door. You do have a very slight ding right there. I'm not sure if you can make that out or not. But that's it. You also have another paint drip mark there, and a scratch there. The tires are good. I wouldn't say they're great, but they're good. Now, let's go ahead and look at the other 2 tires. They're just good. I mean, they're not having to be replaced, but they're not like new either. This is dirty, but the frame looks really nice. Yep. It's really nice underneath. That's the frame. This is called seam rust here, where the frame was spot welded together. That's the weld mark there. So surface rust is very common, but it's not a structural issue. But it looks really nice underneath, dry. All right, let's go inside here. There's the door panel. Looks very nice. No tears. Looks really good under there. Seats look excellent. And let's see. So yeah, this is a two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive selector. To put it in four-wheel drive, you just go like that. Two-wheel drive, you go like that. And then you have to turn off your axle lock. You probably can't see that button. There's an axle lock button right there that you turn off your front hubs. You unlock them by pushing that button when you go from four-wheel drive to two-wheel drive. I don't know if you heard that, but the truck started right up. I'll start it again. Fires right up. Now we are in two-wheel drive, and you'll notice when I pull this handle up, now that light came on. And that light right there, I don't think, that light right there also came on. So now I'm going to push this handle down, but you'll notice that light will stay on until you push the button. So you have to push that button to turn it off, and that unlocks your hubs. Okay, enough tutorial on the simplicity of the four-wheel drive, but that's how it works. And that's your door panel over there, and your headliner. That's really nice. We're gonna go ahead and take it for a little spin, even though it's raining. These do really tight turns. Look at this. We have new flowers planted for next year. Couple stragglers left there. Oh, got somebody behind me. Sorry. Okay. And now I'm going to have to go a little faster because there's someone behind me. But you can see I'm going 60 kilometers per hour, which is basically about 37. 60 kilometers per hour is about 37, 38 miles per hour. What you do is you multiply that by 0.621. And now I'm going to, after I go around this next curve, I'm going to give it a little gas. Boy, this thing has excellent power. And I'm going like 55 miles per hour. And this guy's still right on my tail here, so I'm going to have to surprise him by doing a turn into this field, which he's not going to be expecting. Right? Okay. There we go. All right. There we go. Now I'm going to go back up this hill. I'm in third gear. Now fourth gear. And you'll see that we are approaching a steep hill, and I'm actually going to put this in fifth gear and really put it to the test because I can tell it's more than up to the task. And so here we are, 65, 70 kilometers per hour and climbing while going up this hill. And to me, that's all I really, that's the only thing that really matters. Now, here's the real test. We're still in fifth gear, and we're going super slow. We're going less than 40 kilometers per hour up this steep hill. And we are still climbing, which is just absolutely remarkable. And because you're climbing a hill in fifth gear and accelerating. That is the best thing about the entire test ride right there. I'm going to slow back down to make my turn. But yeah, that is fantastic. And so that is a good indicator of a nice fresh engine. So if you are Gary, if you're interested in this vehicle, give us a call at 336-777-9957 and let us know if you'd like to get it, and we can ship it to Oklahoma. I normally deliver my mini trucks, but for the long distance deliveries, I do not. So if you don't want it, that's no problem. But this way, at least you know, kind of the details about the truck. You know how it. We got a traffic jam here on the dirt road. Sorry, guys. Okay, we got a Toyota Corolla and a mini truck. So yeah, we've got bumper to bumper here on Snow Lane, and let us know if you're interested in this vehicle, and we will make the arrangements. And if you don't want it, that's fine. That's the purpose of this video, is to give you an accurate representation, as accurate as possible, without you actually being here and driving it. And then you can email us also at sales@mayberryminitrucks.com. This will come with a title, clear North Carolina title. We got the law passed, making them street legal, and it's been serviced. So it's got a full synthetic oil change, new air filter, a new oil filter. The four-wheel drive has been tested, and it runs great, and it has incredible power too. So thank you for watching our video.